Is your laptop running slower than a snail? This KingSpec SSD might be your answer. We're testing out this budget-friendly solid-state drive to see if it can breathe new life into older machines. Get ready for faster boot times, quicker app loading, and an overall snappier experience without breaking the bank. We'll check speeds, durability, and if it's worth the upgrade. See if the KingSpec SSD earns its crown. Click the link in the description to grab one and let us know what you think in the comments.